Okay guys, so in this video, this is about the 3 different types of lifts. Now, you'll see a lot of bodybuilders out there, especially bodybuilders like Dorian Yates. You can check him out on YouTube and stuff, and he talks about the 3, he was a 6-time Mr. Olympia, so, you know, he knows what he's talking about, right? So he was explaining about the 3 different types of lifts. So you've got the positive, and then you've got the hold, and then you've got the negative. So the positive is the weakest of the lifts, and then when you hold, that's the second strongest, and then you've got the negative, which is the strongest when you hold it down. So you'll notice that when you can't do as many positives, you'll get a partner to come and help you, but then you don't need a partner to do the negatives coming down. You've got more control over that. So when you've really exhausted your muscle going up, then if you can get a partner, that's good. But if you can kind of help the way up and then concentrate controlled on the negative, try and lift the weight up. Sometimes you have to cheat a bit to just lift it up. You shouldn't, but I guess if you're going to concentrate on the negatives, then you have to kind of cheat it up. But that's after you've done the strict form coming up and then down. So you want to lift, that's the positive, hold, that's the second strongest, and then the third, the negative coming down, that's the strongest of all the lifts. Now science has shown that when you're doing the negatives, concentrating on the negatives, that's when you're really breaking down more of the muscle. So really concentrate your mind and your muscle. You know, they always talk about the mind-muscle connection. In this transformation, I really did that. I really understood what that meant. You're really trying to focus on your muscle working as you're coming down. Really think about what muscle it is. Like when you're doing, the example I'm giving now is the pre-check curl, which is for the bicep. So you want to concentrate on the bicep going up, hold it, and really concentrate on the bicep with the mind coming down, and just keep knocking those out. When you can't do any more positives, try and get a partner if you can. If not, just lift it up and then concentrate by yourself, coming down in a very controlled manner. So they're the 3 types of lifts that I wanted to go through. Really quick video, just wanted to go through them, the importance of them as well, and the importance of the negative. So really concentrate. Even when you're coming down, I explain more of this in the exercise videos. But even when you're doing the narrow grip, when you're pushing down and then you slowly go up and you're pushing down, you're really feeling it in the lats here. So that's just another example, but I will go through it in a bit more detail in the videos that come through, the exercise videos that are coming through in this section. Okay guys, just a quick little explanation there of positive, static, and then negative. So I'll see you in the next video.